Hello, friends. Welcome to QuizArc, a venture to know something new every day and delve deeper into trivia. And this is Fun Gen, the fundraiser general quiz organized for COVID relief. This video is the live recording of the prelims of the quiz held on 12th of June 2021. So, without any delay, let's. Awesome. So once again, welcome to FunGen, the fundraiser quiz for QuizArc. And since we have gone through the rules, let's just delve right into the questions. The first question coming your way is this one. It is believed that this phrase originated in ancient Greece, and this was actually an order which was given by the emperors right after the sacrifice to the gods were completed in order to kickstart the Olympics. A variant of the phrase was made famous by a cinematic adaptation of a certain young adult dystopian novel. What is this often quoted original phrase? Bear in mind that I don't need the variant which was used in that dystopian novel. I want the original phrase which was used in ancient Greece. Okay? So you can connect the dots. Also pay attention that this is the first question of the quiz. Think in those lines. And you just need to give the phrase. And this is not like a factual thing. This is a believed. This is believed to have been in practice. Okay? First question. Moving on to the next one. Flick scam is one of the most popular word among a group of similar meaning European words to have come into prominence in 2019, thanks to the rising fame of a person. The person avoided flick scam by traveling from England to the US on the Malaysia 2 and back to Spain on the La Vagabonde. What does it mean and who is the person? So you need to give what is the meaning of the word flick scam and which person is noted for having popularized this word. Think about the timeline and think about the places which are mentioned in the question, and you can like arrive at a proper answer. Okay, moving on to the third question. So here you can see three logos. You need to identify all the logos and connect these three logos. So these are non-exhaustive, which means these are not the only entities in the like these three are not the only entities in the list which connects them all. And you just need to identify the three logos. You will get 6 points for identifying the logos and 4 points for getting the connection right. Think current affairs, think about the times we're in, and I think you can make the connection easily. Moving on to question number 4. Dash dash. Finland police set to probe Prime Minister Sanna Marin's breakfast bill. This was a headline on 30th of May 2021. Look into the predicament this person finds herself in and guess the two-worded punny phrase which was used to describe this whole incident. Bear in mind, this is a fun question, so think on those lines. This is a two-worded phrase, so you need to give me both the words. and make the connection with the breakfast and everything else and answer these two funny words. Okay, we are done with four questions. Let's move on to the fifth one. So recently, Amazon has changed their logo from the one which you see on the right side of your screen to the one which you see on the left side of the screen. You need to look at the logos carefully and tell me why they had to change their logos. So I'm looking for a very specific keyword in the answers. If the keyword is present, you will get complete marks. So they had to change their logos. There was some backlash which Amazon received when the right hand side logo came up, and then they promptly changed it to the one which you see on the left. So you just need to give me why Amazon had to change the logos. Look at the logo carefully and try to guess why there was an outrage against the logos. I will move forward with the next question. This is another lateral thinking connect questions. So if you are following Quizark on Instagram, you will find some of these connect type questions which are not literal. You cannot take these things literally, but you need to connect them laterally. So I won't be reading out what these things are. So you can read them out in your mind, then make a connection, and I want that connection as the answer. So this is also a star mark question. Bear that in mind and make a connection between these four entities. Since this is a connect question, I will give some time for you to think and ponder over it. No, sorry, I won't be giving out any clue for any of the questions. There are enough clues already in the question, and I am also giving out clues while reading them out. So there won't be any other clues. Okay, I think we can move forward. Let's move on to question number 7. Okay, this is an easy one. This is connected to Bollywood. You need to identify which minimalist movie poster is this. Minimalist posters are those which give a preference or which highlight one or two of the famous dialogues or one or two of famous characters which is there in the movie. So from this little photo, you need to identify this is the minimalist poster of which movie. It's a very famous movie, and I won't give you the timeline, which will make it very obvious. So just the answer would be just the name of the movie would be sufficient in the answer. Okay. Let's move on with the next question. X was involved in writing a weekly news commentary which was aimed primarily at India during the Second World War. His biographer referred this phase of X's life as an energetic propagandist. His experience during this time inspired him to come up with the novel Y, that is now treated as a literary masterpiece and almost prophetic of the times to come. You need to identify who is X, the person, and what is Y, the creation. Pay close attention to the words propagandist, energetic propagandist, then again literary masterpiece, which is prophetic of the times to come. Make the connections, and you will arrive at X and Y. A very famous person. As a hint, I can say he has some connection with India as well. and why is his most famous creation? You will get 5 points for identifying the person and 5 more for identifying the creation. Okay, done with question number 8. We will move on to the ninth question. A lot of comic fans were upset when this important character was left out from the movie adaptation of The Avengers, because it was this character who actually coined the name The Avengers. But the sadness was short lived, as this character shared sizable screen space in a later movie of the Marvel Universe. Just give me the name of this important character. So, all the Marvel fans out there, you have your time in the sun. This is, I guess, this will be a very easy question for those who follow the comics. You just need to give the character who is said to have coined the term the Avengers. Moving on to the 10th question. So, 10th question, this is also a star mark question. Human eyes take between 10 and 30 minutes to fully adjust to darkness. This delay could prove disastrous in the case of accidents, when one typically has to get their bearings quickly and escape out of the vehicle. This fact led to the emergence of a vehicle norm during the second half of the 20th century. Which norm are we talking about? There are enough clues in the question. The time limit, the time 10 to 30 minutes, should give you some clue. Then the phrases which have been used: disastrous in case of accidents. There is a chance of getting the bearings quickly and arrive at a norm. So, a brief explanation of the thing would be enough. I just need one or two keywords in the answers, and you will get full points. You don't need to be like pinpoint accurate about the answers. Okay, so this was a star mark question, and I will move on to question number 11. Deepa Bhatia stated in an interview with The Hindu that her original inspiration came from the childhood of a legendary filmmaker whose artistic genius was ignited by his first school teacher. She goes on to reference a specific moment in his biography where he began to excel in school due to the progressive practices of his teacher, specifically by harnessing his innate creativity towards drawing. What project did Deepa Bhatia and her husband help develop? Who was this legendary filmmaker? So, this is also a two-part question. You will get 5 points for identifying which project did Deepa Mehta develop, and you will get 5 points for identifying the legendary filmmaker. Pay close attention to the phrases artistic genius, school teacher, excel in school due to the progressive practices. Okay. So if you find questions from some specific topics to be more, that's because I had asked you in the form that what are your favorite topics. So I have tried to mold the questions in such a way that the topics which got the maximum leverage are asked more in this quiz. Okay. So Deepa Bhatia, the film, and the filmmaker. Okay. Moving on to question number 12. Dr. Jonathan Day, a medical expert at the University of Florida, explained a certain victim preference. Some reasons for that preference in victims are that some people produce more of certain chemicals in their skin, like lactic acid, their metabolic rate, or the amount of carbon dioxide in your body releases as it burns energy, which explains why pregnant women and overweight or obese people are more frequently targeted. What is being spoken about here? So this is some phenomenon, okay? Some victim preference. Pay close attention to the phrase victim preference. And these are the things, these are some of the things which affects this victim preference. Carbon dioxide, lactic acid, metabolic rate, overweight. So you have to give me the funda, what is being spoken about here. Once again, a few keywords are necessary in the answer, and if the keywords are there, you will get full points. Moving over from Dr. Jonathan Day to question number 13. This is again a star marked question. Two Indian presidents died in the same house, under the same shelter, and both died at the same place. The Rashtrapati Bhavan was completed in 1931, and it has seen a lot of history and coincidences since then. But this could be the mother of all coincidences that took place there. You have to identify the two presidents and where exactly they breathed their last. So the number 13 is often associated with bad luck. And here we have the bad luck of two Indian presidents who died exactly in the same place. So make the connections of which presidents might have died in office and then make a connection where exactly they breathed their last. A star mark question, question number 13. Moving over to the next question. So here you see a leaf, and from the photos, you have to guess what is the common name of this tree that has roots in mythology that some mythological hero used to store something in these leaves. Look at the structure of the leaf, look at the leaf itself, connect with a mythological hero, and you will get the name of the leaf. So I don't want the actual scientific name. I would just the name of the mythological hero and what he used to do with these leaves, like what did he store in these leaves would be enough. So the common name, I will accept the name of the hero and the usage of this. So actually these two things combined together will give you the exact name of the leaf itself, the tree itself. Okay. Play another close look at the structure, and let's move on to question 15. In 2016, a 90-year-old tradition saw a makeover on Dashera Day. The head of communications said the change has been made to take care of comfort level and convenience while working. What was this makeover all about? So here we are talking about a makeover, a very old tradition which was changed in 2016, a 90-year-old tradition. And the head of communications, he has said that this was done keeping in mind the convenience and comfort level. This is an India question, obviously. You see the Shera and everything else. So you need to identify what is this makeover all about. Once again, just keywords would suffice as a correct answer. A short question. Moving over to question number 16. Okay, so here you see a Google Doodle playing tribute to some footballer. And as a hint, I have given this phrase, think of a Greek hero playing for Sri Lanka. So look at the picture carefully, the position the player is in, and the hint about a Greek hero, and make a connection with Sri Lanka and come up with an answer. I will just give a few more seconds for you to look at the picture carefully and Then I will quickly move over to question number 17. Okay, let's move on to question 17. Another picture based question, another fun, nostalgia inducing question. So I have blanked out certain part um, of this picture, and you have to identify what's written in this picture. Look at the entities of the picture carefully and come up with a come up with two words which will fill in the blank. Okay, people from around 80s or 90s would find it easy because they might actually have consumed this product. And as a hint, I would say that Cadbury did find itself in some legal trouble because of this packaging idea. It's a fun packaging idea, though. Moving on to question number 18. You need to connect the three pictures. You see two persons, two very famous persons to the left, to the middle, and some ladies sitting around something in the third. You need to connect all these three pictures and give me a connect. Just the funda would do. You don't need to identify the three pictures. You don't need to identify who the people are. You just need to give me what is the connection between these three pictures. As a hint, I would say that one of the person was in news a few days back. One of the like three entities in this photo. Moving on to question number 19. This is a longish question. I will read it out. Please pay close attention. X recalled in his autobiography that in 1979, when he was the director of a satellite launch vehicle, the mission failed to launch the satellite in the orbit. Instead, it was put into Bay of Bengal. A miscalculation of leakage in the fuel led to the failure. Y, being the chairman at that time, called X and conveyed to press, "We failed, but I have a very good trust in my team that next time we will be succeeding for sure." This surprised X as the blame of the failure was taken by the chairman. The next mission was prepared and launched successfully in 1980. At this moment of success, Y told X to attend the press meet without his presence. When the team failed, he took the blame. But when the team succeeded, he redirected the success to his team, thus portraying the picture of a true leader. You need to give both X and Y. So a lot of clues in the question itself. I'm sure most of you have heard of X. Y is also a very known name in the quizzing circles. You need to just connect the dots and give X and Y. The person who was in charge of the mission and the chairman. X was the person in charge and Y was the chairman. Since this is a longish question, I will give some more time for you to process all the information that's on our screen. Okay, let's move on to the final question of the day. The 20th question coming on your screen is this. So this is a Dilbert comic, and I have blanked out one phrase, like two words are there. You have to identify which two words I have blanked out. So Dilbert exclaims that I have found the dash. The dash then starts to speak and says, build an ark. And Dilbert says, nothing but trouble. So think in a divergent manner and look at the cues in the picture and give me what is in the blank space. Okay. So this brings us to the end of today's questions. I will be starting a timer right now. The timer would be for 4 minutes,
Hi.
and after 4 minutes, I will stop the forms.
Uh,
Start with question 1. Okay, can anyone give me what was this ancient phrase which was used
It's let. I think this is let the games begin.
in ancient Greece, and then a cinematic adaptation of a young adult dystopian novel? Anyone?
The Hunger Games.
Is the novel Ready Player One? So I
Let the
was
games
looking for Ready
begin.
Set Go.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Oh, okay.
Let the games begin, and which was made popular with the Hunger Games. And since this was the first question, we let the quizzing games begin with this first answer. Moving on, second question, flick scam, and who is the person? Anyone wants to attempt?
Person is Greta Thunberg.
Greta Thunberg is the person. That's absolutely correct. And what is flick scam? What does it mean?
Light
Light
Chain.
stream.
Right traffic, yeah.
So as to
Like streaming, yeah.
conserve the
Right.
Anyone on
environment.
chat? Okay. So
Flight
flick
shame.
scam means the feeling of shame for flying in an aeroplane, and Greta Thunberg is attributed to have made this word famous, as she herself doesn't fly on airplanes, and we had this clue also where she took the ships to reach UK. Third question:
So like
the three logos you have to identify and make a connection.
Vaccine makers.
I guess this was
vaccine
really
makers.
easy
Vaccine makers,
considering
AstraZeneca,
you
Bharat
must have seen all
Biotech,
these. Yes,
Pfizer.
these are the vaccines, the COVID vaccines, namely AstraZeneca, Bharat Biotech, and Pfizer. So I would want a COVID vaccine in the connection and the name of these three companies in
But
in the explanation part.
excuse me,
AstraZeneca, Bharat Biotech, and
is
Pfizer.
vaccine makers
Moving
and
on.
all the three
So what
names
was this
acceptable?
funny phrase? Anyone who could take a guess just looking at the breakfast connection?
Serial
Serial
offender.
serial offender. Like serial.
Okay, this was serial offender. So you have heard of the serial offender, SERE. So this was a funny version of serial offender, which was attributed to Sana Marine because of this whole breakfast controversy. Moving on. Question number 5. This was a fun question. So this logo had to be changed because it had a resemblance to some person who is not held in a
Hitler
good light.
mustache.
So can you? So
Mustache.
everyone, I think, might have guessed the answer.
smile of
Anyone wants to come up with the answer in the chat?
Hitler mustache.
It resembled a Hitler's
Okay.
mustache.
So this was Hitler. So the old logo resembled the Hitler's mustache smiling in the Amazon logo. So everyone complained, and Amazon had to change it to this box kind of a thing. Okay, moving over. This was one of my favorite questions of the quiz. So I would love if someone cracked it. So could anyone
These are
crack the
cricket
question
shots.
in the chat? Please,
Cricketing shots.
please share if anyone could crack this question. The lateral
shots.
thinking connection.
Many
No?
these are cricket shots.
Amazing. Yes, these are cricketing shots. Yes, the helicopter shot of the helicopter shot. Okay, yeah, I kept the voices. Vaccine makers acceptable in case of COVID vaccine. Yeah. Vaccine makers would be acceptable, definitely. So this is the helicopter shot, periscope shot, scoop, and
what was the periscope?
this
Is it
switch hit.
is there a shot?
Okay. Moving over. Question 7. Minimalist poster of which movie? I guess this was pretty easy.
Gangs of Wasseypur.
This was the Gangs of
Gangs of
Wasseypur.
Wasseypur.
Gangs of Wasseypur, that dialogue, यहाँ पे परिंदा भी अपना एक पंख से उड़ता है, एक पंख से अपना इज्जत बचाता है, and that Gangs of Wasseypur, brilliant movie. Anurag Kashyap. Moving on, next question. Who was this propagandist who wrote a book about propaganda? Anyone in the chat wants to answer?
Orwell in 84.
A very, very famous creation. Indeed, amazing crack, because this was 1984 and George Orwell. Moving on, question number 9. Comic fans, Avengers, who came up with the name of Avengers. This was the Wasp. Wasp from the Ant-Man and the Wasp fame. So Wasp had come up with the name of Avengers, and then she was left out of the Avengers movie, but later she got a big role in the Ant-Man and the Wasp part. Okay, moving over to the next question, number 10. This was again one of my favorite questions of the quiz. Anyone could crack it? Like, which norm is window shades? No, these are not the window shades. Airplanes, yes. Not the window shades, but airplanes would fetch you some points. So this is actually the flights turning off the cabin lights during the takeoff and landing, so that the eyes can be habituated to the darkness, and then if any disaster happens, then window shades also. But I was actually looking for the turning off the cabin lights. So the mention of the aeroplanes, that was a keyword, so that will fetch you points, but not like full marks. You will get 5 or something. Okay, question number 11. Deepa Bhatia, which project was this? Filmmaker, legendary filmmaker. So this was Tare Zameen Par and Akira Kurosawa. Indeed, Tare Zameen Par was inspired, the whole project was inspired from the life of the legendary Japanese filmmaker Akira Kurosawa. Question number 12, Dr. Jonathan Day, he said about a specific victim preference on account of some things which, this is indeed mosquitoes, indeed. This is why mosquitoes prefer some people over others. Brilliant crack, everyone. This was a fun question. Moving on, question number 13. But 2 Indian presidents, this was a star mark question, who died in the same place. The president part would be easy. It would be Zakir Hussain and Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed.
Fakhruddin Ali
These are the two, and both of them accidentally actually died in the bathroom, in the president, in the same bathroom actually. This was a star mark question. Then question number 14. This was a mythological connect with environment. So this leaf is known as what? Anyone on the chat? This is known as the Krishna's buttercup. It's said that Krishna folded these leaves to store his butter, and you can see the shape of the leaves also. It is a conical in shape, which can be used to like store butter. Okay, so this is Ficus Krishnae. Krishna's buttercup, the mention of Krishna and butter would fetch you complete points. Question 15, 2016, a 90-year-old tradition was changed. The change was...
RSS pant.
Indeed, this is the RSS half pants becoming full pants in 2016. A great crack, Satej, sorry. This was a fun question again. Moving over, question 16. Yeah, Greek hero playing for Sri Lanka. Who is this? This is a like very old footballer. This is indeed Leonidas de Silva. Leonidas being the Greek hero, de Silva being the Sri Lankan. This was given as a Google Doodle on the September 6, 2013, on Leonidas's birthday. Next, question 17. This was a blast from the past. 2 words, Cadbury. This is indeed James Bond. You could see from the picture, it was aping the actual James Bond style. And this actually landed Cadbury in some legal trouble. Moving over, this is Sundarlal Bahuguna, Chandi Prasad Bhatt, and the ladies. And this is indeed the Chipko movement. So Sundarlal Bahuguna passed away a few days back. and he was the pioneer of Chipko movement in India. So if your answer mentions Chipko, you get the full marks. I only asked for the connection, not the names, so that would suffice. Chipko gives you full marks. Next question. The person who wrote his autobiography about a failure and about another person, brilliant Rahul. This is indeed APJ Abdul Kalam, and sorry, your Y part is wrong. This is Satish Dhawan, not Vikram Sarabhai. Quite close, but yeah, not exactly correct. Yeah, Satish Dhawan and APJ. The last question from Dilbert Comics. What did Dilbert find? This is the Higgs boson or God particle. I would accept both this as correct answer. Higgs boson would also do, and God particle would also do. So that's all. And okay, so I see a lot of people answering every question correctly. So I guess it will be a tough fight. And one more reminder that a lot of people have donated for the cause. If you like the quiz, please consider donating for the COVID relief cause. And tomorrow would be the finals. 6 teams would qualify for the finals based on the scores in the prelims. And till then, stay in the group, and I will share all the other details eventually by tomorrow. Okay, thanks a lot for joining in, and it's been a pleasure. Thank you. Results I will announce tomorrow in the morning. Good.